Alright, so I'm gonna be starting off in the dam with nothing but a pistol, hissy ass armor, and a really bad backpack too. Fa. It's gonna suck. Yeah. Anyways, let's get to it. Bro. What is this horrible ass spawn? I'm not bad for the swearing. It's gonna happen quite a bit though. And this is why this is not gonna be a kid's film. I need that. Hey. Give me that. Always finish your food. Especially you, Kara. What? Do I want to fight? Yeah. Okay, you're lucky to lose. Uh-oh. I don't want that. Ew, I don't want that either. For Caddy. Maybe the same kind of mags. Maybe. Save it anyways. You can get out of here. Pistol. Yeah, it is actually. There's a pistol grip. Exploration time. I'm gonna cry if I die again. This is so sad. Cool. What? Yeah, I know I'm short. It's fine. Gotta be the short king. You gotta be the short king, you know? Oh, boy. It spawned me at construction. I'm cooked. I ain't got crap. Wait, what's that? Is that? Oh. It's the same kind of armor I have. That's trash. And there's nothing there. Nice. Yeah, I need to find some good stuff. Please, let me get a bigger backpack. Oh, shoot, already? Where is the scav? Oh, ah.
Fall back!
Ow.
Take cover!
Get back. Thank you for finally dropping. Holy hell. Nope.
Take cover!
Automatic. Take that. I'll take the automatic pistol. Oh, I'm getting stupid for this. Why am I searching the construction site? Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, I'm so freaking cooked. I'm really dumb for this. Oh, wait, what, is that good? Hell yeah, it's good. I don't want that. I'd much rather a backpack. The rucksack doesn't do shit.
There they are.
Scav? Oh. Where? Scav? Oh. There's a scav right there. Oh, you know, I'm not hitting that. Who? I'm trying to fall there. Scav! Backpack? Oh. Thank you. God dang.
Get to cover.
No, you leave me alone. You leave me alone.
Fall back. What was that?
Good ammo? Nope, that's shotgun ammo. Ooh, I think that is, though. No, give me that. Bro. Oh, yes. It is good ammo. What? Can I? Not really. I'm kind of busy at the moment. Ah, that freaking hurt.
Get to cover. Take cover.
Of course not. I'm at long distance. This doesn't work. Just like in a relationship, that doesn't work either. What? Yes, I said that. Yes, can.
I think I heard something.
I don't need that as well. What is that? Hello? Governor. Are you here?
Fall back.
What? Hey. Oh, don't glitch out on me. Give me that. Thank you. I have no idea what you're saying, because I'm not listening at the moment.
Take cover.
My bad. Anything good? No.
What was that?
Oh, shoot. Sometimes.
Sense danger.
What do you want from me? I'm a guy. Shit's ass. Take that, though. Ooh.
Get to cover.
Leave me alone. I want this. Jerk mate. Why'd I say that? Huh? I know, I just realized that. I'm an idiot for it. Half empty. How nice.
Hello? Anyone gonna shoot me? Please don't. I'm an innocent bystander.
Or am I? Shoot. Listen here. Hey, I wanna open it. Hey, let me open. Anything good in here? No, just toilet paper. Why is there toilet paper in an ammo crate? It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, yo. Any scabs up here? No, but there is a gun
Get
box.
to cover.
Oh wait, actually, I need that. Give me that. Take the ammo. Focus. Oh, it's shotgun. You stay the hell away.
Did you hear that?
No, 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 you don't hear that. Where are you? Scav? Ah,
I think I saw
there's a
something.
scav. Use my pistol for this. Miss. I can't tell if I'm hitting him or missing him.
Take cover!
There we go. Got him. About time. Shit. Took a while. You good in your backpack? No. Nothing good in your backpack. That kind of sucks. Suppose I clear the freaking place. How bad is my drink? Huh. I'll take it. In my base. Later. Oh, God. I'll take the ammo. Loki. Use this one instead. What? Ooh, voltage transformer. I'll take that.
Take cover!
This is your neighborhood-friendly Exfil player. Well, can't really say neighborhood-friendly because it's like a war zone, so probably could rephrase that a little bit. It's not funny, Kara. Why are you insulting me? It's my first time recording. It's not that funny. I know I'm bad at the game. What? You know, it's too bad they can't hear you. It'd be so nice. Okay. Who? Oh. Never mind. Yeah, I see you. Not. Bro. Can I shoot your foot? Nah, I don't got enough skill for that. Ow! Freaking hurt. No, I'm running. That really hurt. You're definitely a player. Ow. That freaking hurt. Better not die again. It's gonna be so sad. I need to find freaking suture. Man, not again. It happened to me the last time. Like that. Flash grenade. Bro. Shotgun. I don't want that though. Bro, I do not want a CD. That's not gonna help with anything. What is that gonna do? Ceramic adhesive. That's not gonna do anything.
Threat spotted.
Oh, sup?
Turn back, you fool. Cover!
I can't exactly aim at you right now. Bro. arm's too broken for this. At least let me get some heals first. I don't want that. Ooh, I do need that. Oh, okay. Bro. I'm afraid of breaking my leg, so I'm not gonna do that. Really, the only thing I can aim right now is a freaking pistol. There's an Exfilzone right now, right there, but it's not open. No. Shut up. Go away. I don't want it. I don't consent. Oh, and there goes my legs.
Turn back, you fool.
I didn't even start from the height. Can't aim. Look how nice. Bro. That's nice. Oh boy. Well. Oh. That's awesome. Hey, no. You stay back. Oh, no.
Fall back.
No, thank you. I never consented to this. I need that extra point right now. I just need to wait 2 more minutes.
Take cover.
What do you think I'm trying to do? I'm trying to take cover. I'm almost dead. Come on. Ow. Oh. Oh, that freaking hurt. Freaking hicker. Ah. Hey, I see your head. And that's how I forgot. Crap. Where'd the mag go? No. If I die, it's not my fault. Oh god, I can't even aim. That's how bad my health is. Oh, come on. I don't know where you're at, but you're a little too close.
Take cover.
Bro, how long until you're open? 37 seconds. Oh. Oh.
Blow 'em up.
Stay back. Stay back. Stay back.
Reloading.
Back. Oh, you open already. Come on.
Fall back.
Come on. Just need to... I need to die. Thank God. 2 kills is sad, though. Oh, at least I successfully extracted, though.